DJ Heat in the mix.
All my dudes, tap her on her shoulder and tell her, all my dudes, who has a dunk, who has a dunk, all my dudes, tell her, all my dudes, who got a dunk, who has a dunk, who has a dunk, who has a dunk, who got a dunk, who got a DJ Wild on the ones and twos, who has a dunk, 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 my dude, who got a dunk here, dunk, who got a dunk, who has a dunk, who got a dunk, who has a dunk, who got a dunk, welcome to her with a nice size, and just tell her, back it up, 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 tap her on her shoulder and tell her,
back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up,
where y'all at?
Back it up,
tell her, back it up, 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 ladies, booty bounce to this.
Back it up, 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 back it up,
back. If you're gonna be a freak, ladies, if you're gonna do all that freaky shit, please make sure you have a dunk, alright? Please make sure something back there. Where all my true freaks? Where the true freaks out here right now? I'm gonna find out where the true freaks are when I drop this. Take the condom off. Hold up. Drop this beat. Drop this beat. Drop this like this. Who got a dunk here? Drop this beat. Drop this. First off, my dude, who got a dunk here? Dunk it. Hold up. My dude, who got a dunk here? Who got a dunk here? Who got a dunk here? Who got a
Hey, this your boy, man. Shout out my nigga DJ J Heat.